Hi, this is Beth from 123homeschoolforme.com, sharing another free printable resource on my blog. Today I'm going to show you our little math mini books. Here is the multiplication mini book, and this is super easy to make. It's made from one piece of paper, and you don't need to glue or tape anything. You just fold and cut, and there you go. So you can see here's the front cover, shows a lot of multiplication signs. There's actually two of these multiplication ones, so kids can fill in multiplying 0 by all these up to 12, multiply all these numbers by 1, multiply all these numbers by 2 and 3 and so forth. And this book goes up to 6, and then the next multiplication book starts at 7. So it's great practice for kids, plus it's a super handy little guide. Again, it's pretty small compared to the size of my hand, but it's a great little mini guide that they can stick in their pocket or with their math stuff so that they can reference. So here's how you do it. Alright, so you're going to print out your piece of paper on my blog. Again, that's free to use for home personal use. So here's what you get. You get your printed version. You're going to use your handy dandy scissors, and you're going to cut around so that you're cutting on the black line here so that it's nice and trim. Alright, then you're going to fold it. So you're going to fold in half, and in half, and again, so you get your nice crease lines. Okay, now open it back up, and you see this little section of dotted line. You're going to cut this out. So let me show you how I do it. I fold it like so, and then I use my scissors and I just actually come in a little bit. So I'm taking out a little bit of, it's just easier than trying to rip through the paper to get a starting point. Alright, so then if you open it up, this is what it looks like. Again, you've cut that just in the middle. Alright, so then what you do is you just fold it in half, then you hold it like this, and you pop out the sides. Does that make sense? You're going to pop it out, make sure that they're creased. So you're popping it like so. So you look like you have this little plus sign here. And then you're just going to make sure to crease all those edges, because again, these weren't ones, some of these might be new creases. So you just go through and fold on the solid line, cut on only on the dotted line. And there you have it. You have your little mini book without any cutting or pasting. It just folds really nicely into a little book. And then you're all set. So at some point or another in the next couple months, you'll have all of them. We have a addition, a subtraction, a multiplication, and a division mini book for kids, then all ranging all the way from kindergarten all the way through 6th grade. So again, this and many other resources you can find for free at www.123homeschoolforme.com.